bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Cordless handheld vacuums are perfect for quick, small messes because they're lightweight, portable, and cordless. They easily reach tight spots like car interiors, countertops, and stairs. While they can't replace full-size vacuums for deep cleaning, their convenience and speed make them ideal for everyday spills and crumbs.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.